Need a Burkina Faso eVisa? Here's how to get it fast. Follow a simple 4-step process and get approved in just 3 to 5 days. Step 1. Choose the visa type that matches your trip, from tourist, business, transit, conference, family visit, and more. Step 2. Complete the secure online application with personal details, travel dates, and accommodation info. Step 3. Upload required documents such as passport bio page, a recent passport photo, and any other relevant files. Step 4. Make a secure payment. Your eVisa is emailed to you with approved instructions. Quick tips. Match all details exactly to your passport, apply at least 1 week before travel, and upload clear, high-resolution documents to avoid delays. Ready? Start your application now or check requirements on our site with expert help available 24/7. That's it. Burkina Faso eVisa made simple.